It was my school and teachers who shaped my career pathway as an entrepreneur. I'm Sabirul Islam, an entrepreneur, motivational speaker, and author of The World at Your Feet. Ever since I was 17, I've been passionate to empower students that they too can achieve success and develop a positive mentality during their time at school, no matter how much adversity life throws at them. I honestly believe that resilience is an attitude and a skill that all students need to learn and understand. I talk about my personal challenges growing up in the London borough of Tower Hamlets, where during my childhood was often seen as very much a poverty-driven society, where crime, violence, drugs was often considered the norm, and the challenges I faced growing up, having been diagnosed with epilepsy at the age of 11. I share with students my learning journey of life, how I overcame adversity with the support of my teachers to become an entrepreneur at the age of 14, setting up my first business with my fellow friends while still at school. I also share with students how I wrote and published my first book at the age of 17 to inspire fellow students that they too can turn their vision into reality. A book that went on to sell 42,500 copies in just 9 months, having initially been rejected by 40 publishers. I work with schools delivering motivational talks on the subjects of raising student aspirations, how to overcome adversity, entrepreneurship, and sharing my personal success stories to instill an enterprising can-do mentality amongst the students. I also facilitate the Teen-Trepreneur program, an enterprise workshop using the Teen-Trepreneur board game which I developed at the age of 18, bringing the entrepreneurial experience to the classroom, and more importantly, teaching students how to better manage money as a key life skill. Students play the game running different businesses using startup capital, competing with others, generating sales and managing their expenses through bookkeeping, whilst keeping tabs on how much they are investing in the stock market. I also facilitate the Teen-Trepreneur iLead program, a bespoke 1 or 2 day program teaching students 16 core soft skills through an enterprise-filled day of activities, challenges, team building workshops, each themed around enterprise learning. So whether it be for an assembly, an upcoming event, or a bespoke 1 or 2 day program, I'd be delighted to work with your school to raise student aspirations that they too can bring the world at their feet. So do get in touch via the school booking form below, and I look forward to making a difference at your school.